Welcome everyone to today's live. How exciting to be back again. I've got some really great stuff to share with you today. So yeah, let's dive in and see. I just want to get this up. So it's not joining for some reason. There we go. Here we go. We're all ready to go. So beautiful. Yeah, so what's happening with you guys in your world today? It's um super cool here again today. We've got rain. So, but I want to dive straight in. So, unlock your online money-making potential today, and it's as simple as acting now. So if you've been following me, you will have seen that my recent posts and videos are talking about how making money online doesn't actually have to be complicated, even if you're not tech savvy. So we have a step-by-step blueprint that is designed to guide you towards daily earnings. And you know what the best part is? You don't even need to have a large following or special skills to do this. And we understand here at the Legacy Builder that sometimes there's challenges of starting an online business when you're not really a tech whiz. And that's why our system's been crafted to be straightforward and easy to follow. Don't let lack of tech skills hold you back. Join us now and start your journey to financial freedom today. And if you want the link to our next free webinar, just post link in the comments. And I'll look forward to seeing you on the inside and helping you to achieve your financial dreams and success and goals. Don't let the lack of tech skills hold you back, like I said, and let's start your journey to financial freedom and financial independence today. Oh, and one more thing. This morning I was on a call, one of our weekly calls that we have, and there was an 80-year-old lady who had just started in this system. And, you know, that just goes to show that grandmas, it's possible for everyone. So if you're a grandma, come on, let's go, let's do this. And I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Bye for now.